Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're continuing our trip south on Interstate 49. We begin at the Arkansas state line in the middle of a gap in the interstate, so we're on US Highway 71 through the city of Bella Vista, Arkansas. Established in 1917 as a summer resort destination, Bella Vista has evolved and redesigned itself over the succeeding years. Bella Vista became a retirement community in 1965, and after much contention and a 2006 vote of its property owners, became an incorporated city. Following its official incorporation on January 1st, 2007, the new city government took over the police department, fire department, streets, trash removal, and other city functions, while the Property Owners Association retained control of the many amenities available to homeowners and their guests. Amenities include numerous parks, clubhouses with workout areas, swimming pools, 6 18-hole golf courses, 1 9-hole golf course, 7 lakes with fishing and boat docks, a marina, swimming beach, putt-putt golf courses and tennis courts, dog park, softball field, and extensive biking and hiking trails. We're into the Ozark Mountains now, and Bella Vista is located on the Springfield Plateau. Oak and hickory forests, along with valleys, creeks, and steep rises, characterize the city's topography. Bella Vista had an estimated population of 28,872 as of 2019. The future route of I-49 will not follow the path of US-71. A western bypass, currently designated as Arkansas State Highway 549, has been constructed and opened in 2014. As of now, it dead ends 2.5 miles south of the Missouri border. When the Missouri portion of the connector is completed, Arkansas will build the bypass north to meet it, and Arkansas 549 will become I-49, providing a continuous I-49 from Fort Smith, Arkansas to Kansas City, Missouri. The Missouri portion has an estimated completion date of September 30th, 2021. We enter Bentonville, the 9th largest city in Arkansas. Bentonville had an estimated population of 54,909 as of 2019, an increase of almost 20,000 since the 2010 census. In 1950, Sam Walton bought the Harrison Variety Store on the Bentonville Town Square. He fully remodeled the building and opened Walton's 5 and 10 Variety Store on March 8, 1951. This single store eventually led to the creation of Walmart, the world's largest retailer, which still strongly influences the community today. The Walmart home office now includes more than 20 buildings throughout Bentonville, specifically along Walton Boulevard, US-71 business in the western part of the city. In 2017, Walmart announced their intention to construct a new central headquarters in Bentonville, consolidating many of their employees to a more centralized campus. The impact from the Walmart home office is multiplied by over 1,100 prospective Walmart vendors who have established sales offices in the region. We're now back on I-49, and from here to I-40, the road is named for John Paul Hammerschmidt, a member of the U.S. House of Representatives from northwestern Arkansas. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We entered the city of Rogers, which had an estimated population of 68,669 as of 2019, making it the 6th largest city in Arkansas. The first Walmart store was located in Rogers, and Daisy Outdoor Products, known for its air rifles, has both its headquarters and its airgun museum in Rogers. Rogers was named after Captain Charles Warrington Rogers, who was Vice President and General Manager of the St. Louis and San Francisco Railway. We conclude today's video at mile marker 81. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.